What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. You see what we have in front of us. Ooh-wee! ATS-V Cadillac. Hey, you heard it, it's the V. My boy Chris just got it, his brand new baby, quad tips. My boy Matthew walking behind me so you don't see him. But yeah, the V. Look at the carbon fiber. Oh my gosh, this thing's spicy. I mean, I did a review on one before, so today we're just gonna have the POV drive. But yeah, let's see what she does. Yeah, all right. So yes, guys, we're in the V. They said they want a launch control. Put it in manual for a little bit. Yeah, we just gonna take it for a little spin. I mean, I've driven a V before and it felt good. It was a long time though, so we're gonna see how this thing is. Man, these seats are hella nice. They hug you real tight. Sunroof, baby. Hard on the brakes. Turn in. Yo, the tires on this car, hella good. Like, she doesn't want to slip at all. I say that and then she slipped, right? But we came around here with the Scat. I floored it from here. Oh, there's some people, so we ain't gonna. I floored it right there, and it basically kicked out fully. But in this, it just grips. The paddles feel so nice, bro. We're gonna do a little launch, a little 0 to 60, let it do its thing. Put it in drive, let it do its thing. Cause this shit hella fast and it grips so good, guys. This thing actually grips fucking amazing. All right. Let's see if it will get sideways now. Honestly, that was a lot of smoke. Thing actually feels hella nice. But yeah, that's the ATS-V. if you like the V and you want to see more of it, go follow my boy Chris on Instagram. I'm sure he gonna make some sick ass posts. And he coming for that Durango, so you know, keep an eye out. Yeah. One more time, let me hear the turbo.
Ooh, oh shit.